Did you leave a review on Booking.com, but then change your mind? Maybe your expectations were different. Maybe your experience has changed. Or you simply no longer want your comment to be publicly visible. In any case, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily delete your review from the Booking.com app. No complications, just a few simple steps. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video I upload. So, to start, first find your Booking.com app, open it, and make sure you're logged into the account from which you posted the review. Without logging in, you won't be able to see or manage your personal reviews. Once you're in the app, the next step is to tap on the My Account option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a page with various options for managing your profile settings. Now scroll down a bit and find the section called My Reviews, then tap on it. Inside the My Reviews section, you'll see a list of all the reviews you've submitted after your trips. Go through the list and find the review you want to delete. Each review shows the property name, your rating, and the date it was submitted. Once you find the correct review, tap the three dots in the top right corner of that review card. Then, from the menu that appears, select the option Delete Review. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete it. Confirm again by tapping Delete. Once you delete the review, it will be permanently removed from the platform and will no longer be visible to you or other users. If you have more reviews you'd like to delete, you'll need to repeat the same process for each one individually, as Booking.com currently doesn't offer a bulk delete option. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, leave a like, share the video, and consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.